Okay, so we've been talking about singular and plural nouns. And we want to talk about if you have a word that is singular, how can we make it plural? So I'm going to put a word up here. Let me turn my tools on. Hold on 1 second. Let me get my tools up here. All right, so if I have the word ball, so saying I'm thinking about a baseball or a basketball, how can I make ball? If I have two ball, I don't say two ball, what do I say? Two balls, I just put an S on it, right? So you just add an S to a word that ends in like L, K, just a consonant, right? What happens if you have a word like the word apple? So I'm gonna erase this. Ooh, I'm gonna try to erase this. Erase this right here. Apple. So if we have the word apple, how can I make it more than one? I just put an S on apples, two apples. All right, the only time that you're not just going to add an S is if the word ends in something tricky. So let me tell you what, if it ends in X, S, hold on 1 second. All right, so if you have a word that ends in these two things, X or S, so you can't just add an S to the word bus because it already has an S. So you have to add ES to that, ES, to make it buses. And then if you have the word box, you can't just add S to box, boxes, box. That doesn't make any sense. So you have to add an ES to an X. So if you have a word that ends in X or S, then you have to change it and add an ES. So now we have buses, boxes. All right, I think those are the only two words. Oh, and then this one too. Glass is also on your paper. So you have glass, and you wouldn't just put another S, that's three S's in a row. You're going to add ES to the end. So if it ends in S, X, or SS, then you add ES to the end to make it a plural. So you're going to do this sheet right here, label it, and you're going to add an S to all these words unless it ends in S, X, or SS, and then you're going to add ES to the end. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. But you're just going to write the word. Instead of writing apple, you're going to write apples, boxes, or books, glasses, boxes, buses, and basket, or basketballs. So you're going to write those words in the blank, and then you're going to take a picture and turn it in on Seesaw. All right, y'all guys have a great night.